Hello, Wealth Warriors. Welcome back to Uncle G FinTech channel, where we're here to keep you inspired, informed, and ready to navigate the exciting world of crypto, finance, and technology. If you're joining us for the first time, consider hitting that subscribe button so you're always in the know about groundbreaking opportunities. And to all our returning warriors, welcome back. Today's topic is one you don't want to miss. Could PiCoin truly stand shoulder to shoulder with financial giants like Mastercard? Yes, you heard that right. As we approach the Open Mainnet launch, PiCoin's potential has everyone buzzing. Imagine this for a moment. PiCoin, a currency originally envisioned as a peer-to-peer mobile solution, could soon become a global payment force integrated with the likes of Visa, Mastercard, and major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's a big vision and one that we're diving deep into today. So, stick with me because there's a lot to unpack. Pi's rise more than just hype? First, let's take a closer look at the milestones that are paving the way. Recently, Stellar joined forces with Mastercard in a groundbreaking partnership, which sent waves of excitement through the crypto community. Why does this matter for Pi? Because partnerships like these show that financial titans are increasingly open to collaborating with digital currency networks, signaling an entirely new phase for blockchain-based payments. Now imagine if Pi could capitalize on this trend. Just the possibility of PiCoin entering mainstream payments opens up endless potential for you, me, and everyone who's been mining Pi from the start. Expanding global reach and utility. The real game changer here lies in Pi's utility. If it successfully partners with major financial networks, Pi could extend its reach to millions of users globally. Picture it, being able to use Pi for everyday transactions, whether you're buying groceries, paying for services, or transferring money across borders. That kind of access would not only put Pi on the map, but could also fundamentally shift how we view digital currencies. For Pi miners, this evolution means that all the time and energy we've put into building the network could finally bear fruit on a massive scale. Imagine having a coin that's no longer confined to crypto exchanges, but actually usable in the real world, backed by partnerships with some of the world's most recognized payment systems. It would be a monumental shift, not just for Pi, but for the entire digital finance landscape. Making finance accessible for all. One of Pi Network's core missions has always been to democratize finance, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live or their economic background. By connecting with giants like Mastercard, Pi could unlock access for millions of underserved individuals. For communities that have traditionally been left out of traditional banking, Pi could be their first step toward real economic participation. This isn't just about convenience. It's about empowerment and opportunity for millions around the world. Building a powerful ecosystem. Now let's talk about Pi's ecosystem. If you've been part of the network, you know it's not just about a coin, it's about building an entire infrastructure. With the Open Mainnet launch, we're expecting Pi to support decentralized applications, or dApps, that can cater to every user's needs, from finance to everyday tools. The potential here is huge. By fostering a robust ecosystem, Pi Network could establish itself as more than just a cryptocurrency. It could become a full-fledged platform, ready to compete with and even surpass other major players in the digital currency space. Real-world applications and market positioning. All of this boils down to one thing: market positioning. In a world where digital currencies are becoming increasingly mainstream, Pi has a chance to carve out its own unique niche. By bridging the gap between traditional finance and the cryptosphere, Pi could stand out as a go-to solution for users seeking practical, real-world applications. This isn't just hype. It's a reimagining of what cryptocurrency can be, grounded in usability and accessibility. Final thoughts. As we look ahead to the Open Mainnet launch, the potential for PiCoin to stand alongside financial giants like Mastercard is closer than ever. If Pi can seize this moment and establish these partnerships, we're talking about a future where Pi isn't just a digital asset, but a widely accepted currency that shapes the global financial landscape. So, to all my wealth warriors, stay tuned and watch this space closely. If you're as excited as I am about Pi's future, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments below. We're just getting started on this journey, and the best is yet to come. Let's dive in, Wealth Warriors, and see if Pi truly has what it takes to become a giant in the financial world.